Rise and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to repair choppy and jerky video with 7 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. A choppy or jerky video can happen due to faulty storage device glitch, audio/video codec issue, outdated media player, unsupported video file format, corrupt video file. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Re-download/copy videos again. It is possible that your video was not transferred properly or downloaded from the source. So, try re-downloading or transferring the file. Solution 2. Play videos on another media player. Instead of playing the video in your default media player, try to play it on another media player. You can use VLC, MX Player, or any other media player. Solution 3. Clear browser's cache and cookies. If you face choppy video streaming, clear your browser's temporary and cache files. Here is how you can do so. Click on the 3 vertical dots from the top right of the Chrome application. Click the Settings option from the drop-down list. Go to the Privacy and Security section, and click on the Clear Browsing Data option. Next, make sure all the options are selected. Click on the Clear Data option. Wait for the process to complete. Solution 4. Change the file format. Try converting the video to a format that is supported by Windows 10. There are many video conversion tools available, both free and paid, that can convert video files to different formats. Solution 5. Update video driver. To do so, follow these steps. Go to Start on Window and search for Device Manager. Click and a new window will appear. Navigate to the display adapters and click it. Click the Intel R HD graphics, and from the options, click Update Drivers. Wait for the process to be complete. Repeat the same process if your computer has discrete graphics card. Solution 6. Disable System Firewall, Antivirus software. The System Firewall and Antivirus software block uncertain downloads for your system security. Here are the steps to follow. Press Windows plus R to call out the Run window. Type Control in the Run window, and hit the Enter key to open Control Panel. On the Control Panel window, select the System and Security option, and then the Windows Firewall option. Here, select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended, option under both public and private network settings. Click the OK button to save the changes. Solution 7. Use Video Repair Tool. To repair choppy, jerky, jumpy, and other video-related problems, we recommend you use Video Repair Tool. It is a professionally recommended utility that can fix all sorts of video-related issues like choppy, jerky, grainy, pixelated, out of sync, etc. Here are steps to use the software. Step 1. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Step 2. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. Step 3. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software, and click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box.